everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create AOL account. So now without any further delay, let's get started with the process. So first of all, make sure that you have downloaded AOL application. Now simply launch the application. Here we go. Now let's wait for some time. Now once you are here on the application, at the top left corner of your screen, just beside news, you can see an icon like a person. Just tap on that option. Now once you are here, you can see the option of sign in on top. So just simply tap on that option of sign in. Now simply tap on continue. Now let's wait for some time. Now once you come across this page, if you already have an AOL account, you can enter your username, email or phone number. But for now, we are about to create an account. So just tap on the option of create account at the bottom. Now over here, you have to fill in your details. Start by entering your full name. Enter your first name and enter your last name. Then you have to create a new mail for your AOL account. Here we go. Now make sure that you create a strong password for your account. Make sure that it is of at least 8 characters. Now after entering your password, you have to select your date of birth. Now let's select a month here. Now just enter a day and then enter your birth year. Then simply tap on continue at the bottom. Now once you are here on this page, you have to enter your phone number and a verification code will be sent to your SMS. Now tap on send code at the bottom of your screen. So don't forget to check your text message on your mobile device. Now you have to go through a security check process. Simply tap on start puzzle. Now you have to follow these instructions given. There will be 3 security check processes. Make sure you follow these instructions given. After going through the security process, just simply tap on submit at the bottom. Now simply tap on the option of continue. Now you have to enter a 6-digit code that has been sent to your mobile number. Now in my case, the code has automatically been entered, so let's wait for some time. Now your account has successfully been created. Simply tap on done. Now you can see that my AOL account has successfully been created. By following these simple steps, you will be able to create your AOL account. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe our channel.